Good morning.
Look at my airplane.
Where are you going?
To Singapore. Oh, I went to here is Singapore.
This is Singapore?
Yeah. Look
Is
at
this
this.
Singapore?
Land.
Wow. Ganun ba yun?
Ganun ba yan?
Ganun ba yun? Then, where's it going now? Going to park?
Going to park into bending. This is bending.
Landing.
Yeah.
Wow, galing ah. Buti pa yan may ano ah. Ang tawag doon? May bridge. Ang tawag doon? Kasi sinakyan natin, wala eh. We go down to the stairs. And then we walk. Let's watch a very good girl.
For 950,000, it better be. Grabe. Ibang iba yung nakita ko sa ifo ka. Yes, I can feel the energy of the gods. It's giving me that, tite ba?
Sandali lang eh. Wala namang puritex yun. Tapos yung balahat hindi taona. Yun. Pang ano, pang palengke.
Hindi mo 500. Pag hindi ka mo yung 500, galing.
Ayan ate, tagtarin mo ng mertiolate yan. Gusto niya yung kulay pink yung ano niya. Gusto niya yung kulay
Konti
pink.
lang yung toilet eh.
Kulay pink. Nagpipink ang kamay at paa. Mas maganda pa kuko niya sa akin, no? Oh, mas magandang cute. Lagyan ng cuties. Mas matigas.
Pero anong gusto, ba't di ka nakapalo sa'yo mo lang? Sinabi ko na nga po eh.
Ayun, nagpapapedicure pa po ako. Kaya
Sabi niya, good morning, noted. Okay po. You make friends ba?
You make friends, huh, with your new classmates, huh? Huh?
Don't be scared. Okay po. Don't be scared.
I'm scared.
Scared ba ikaw? Are you excited to go back?
Ayun na lang.
One lang.
It's so cold.
One lang.
But,
Bye-bye, Tita Lola.
bye!
Bye.
Ay, nagpay-miklim yung ano ko. Nag-allergy ako, ewan ko ba, nagpantal.
Nagpantal.
Ewan ko kung ano nakain ko. Naalala mo, di ba nag-allergy rin ako nung nakaraan? Parang namamaga. Kati. Sige na, ingat.
Bye!
Love you!
Love you!
Yeah.
Yes. So many.
Bye, Philippines. I'm going to Singapore.
Bye, Philippines. Bye, Philippines na. Aba? Oh, hug, Mami Payet.
Mami Payet. Ma. See you in Singapore. Bye. Doon na kami sa ibaba ah.
Sige po, Dad.
Akit kami sa loob, papasok.
Let's go.
Bye-bye.
97 loans for Singapore. We would like to encourage you to store your personal bags under the seat in front of you for easy access to your valuables and essentials.
After 4 hours.
We are back. We're back in Singapore. Yes. Ha? Saan ba? Exit ayun.
Singapore.
Stay tuned for more vlogs.